The exponential function is written in the form f of x equals a times b to the x, where a is the initial value and b is the growth factor. Take a look at this situation. In a biology lab, a population of 50 bacteria reproduce by splitting. Every hour on the hour, each bacterium splits into 2 bacteria. Which quantity is a function of the other? The number of bacteria or the time passed? The number of bacteria is a function of time passed. Which variable is independent and which is dependent? The independent variable is the number of hours. The dependent variable is the number of bacteria. Now write an equation that represents the function using function notation. F of t equals 50 times 2 to the t. The initial amount is 50, and the growth factor is 2. Try another situation. Every year after a new car is purchased, it loses 1/3 of its value. Kareem bought a new car that cost $18,000. Which quantity is a function of the other? The value of the car is a function of the number of years since Kareem bought it. Which variable is independent and which is dependent? The independent variable is the number of years since the car was purchased. The dependent variable is the value of the car in dollars. Now write an equation that represents the function using function notation. The initial amount is $18,000. The growth factor is 1 minus the decay rate, which was given as 1/3. So the growth factor is 2/3. Every year, the car loses 1/3 of its value, so 2/3 of its value remains. The equation is f of t equals 18,000 times 2/3 to the t power.